Looking for a versatile air fryer that does way more than just fry? Today we're reviewing the COSORI 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, 6-quart. A powerful, family-friendly kitchen gadget that can roast, bake, broil, and more. Here's what it can do. 9 cooking functions. This air fryer includes air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, great for all kinds of meals. Wide temp range, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You get precise temperature control from low proofing to high heat crisping, right up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. TurboBlaze technology. With TurboBlaze airflow and high-speed fans, it circulates hot air evenly for crispy results without excess oil. Premium ceramic coating. The non-stick premium ceramic coating on the basket and crisper tray makes cleanup easier and resists sticking. Family-sized 6-quart capacity. With a 6-quart basket that fits mains and sides, you can cook for about 3 to 5 people. Ideal for families. Highly versatile. From crispy fries to juicy roast chicken and baked goodies. This fryer does it all with one appliance. Even quick cooking. The TurboBlaze airflow helps cook food faster and more evenly than many basic air fryers. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate with ceramic coating means cleanup is pretty simple. Must restart if changing modes. Switching presets midway through a cook often means restarting settings. Not ideal during quick recipes. Light foods can move in turbo mode. In the highest airflow or turbo modes, lighter foods, like leafy veggies, might shift around unless weighted down. If you want a powerful, all-in-one air fryer that can handle everything from weeknight dinners to fun snacks with less oil and easy cleanup, the COSORI 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer is worth checking out. Click the link below to see the latest price and grab yours on Amazon.